Hey everyone, this concealer promises to solve all your problems, or at least the ones on your face. This is the Charlott Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Blur Concealer. And no, it's not sponsored. And it comes with some pretty big claims. So, it's powered by elastic stretch technology. Yeah, I know, right? You cannot make that shit up. Now basically, it means that it glides on like silk and camouflages everything and stretches. So blemishes, dark circles, the fact you only slept 3 hours, they just disappear. Now, it works so well that I've used it here as a foundation as well. Just smooth it on, blend it out. The finish is really perfect. It's naturally matte, not dry, just nice. Note, this is a matte concealer, but it's not really. It's more demi-matte. And if you're using a lot of magic cream before, expect a natural, slightly dewy matte. Now, about the promise of 24-hour creaseless wear. Let's be real, everything creases given enough time. Your face moves, you're a human, not a mannequin. But this stuff does put up a pretty good fight, especially if you powder. There is, however, one very important catch, a dark little secret, if you will. This concealer despises dry skin. It really does. I mean, it will hunt down every single dry patch you have, draw a little circle around it, and put a spotlight on it for the world to see. It's personal. But then again, every foundation and concealer out there hates dry skin. So, if your skin is on the normal side or oily, you might just think that this is magic in a tube. You will look bright, flawless, and impossibly well rested. But if your skin is dry, respectfully, this is not for you. It's not here to fix your life or your dry skin. But for the right person, it's a pretty close to perfect. I would give this about 8 out of 10. It's that good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe. It does absolutely nothing for your skin, but it helps me.